Okay, minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. So in this lecture, we will review our mechatronics concepts for final exam. So we are now on the second review module, which is about mechatronics design process. So please confirm if the sound is clear. Is the sound clear? Can we hear? Can we hear? Okay, so yes, sir. According to Alex, okay. Shout out to Alex. So let's proceed with question number 1 of module number 2, which is the first aspect which needs to be considered in the mechatronics design process. A, hardware integration and simulation. B, conceptual design. C, mathematical modeling. D, modeling and simulation. You know, modeling and simulation involve the representation of physical systems by suitable models for describing the behavior, characteristics, such as block diagram. Okay, very important because we can relate one component to the other, relate one function to the other by use of block diagram. Hardware design and simulation is a part of prototyping, while conceptual design and mathematical modeling come under modeling and simulation. So therefore, the answer is letter D. Number 2, in the level of integration of mechatronic system, an example of the first level is A, fluid valves, B, automatic machine tools, C, industrial robots, D, microprocessors. First level of mechatronic system is a basic control system which integrates electrical with mechanical actions. An example of this level is a fluid valve. Okay? Automatic machine tools and industrial robots come under the second level and the microprocessor in the third level. So therefore, the answer is letter A, fluid valve. Number 3, interface design is an example of hardware integration. Is it true or false? Interface design is a part of software integration which involves operating system. Hardware integration involves process design and electronic design, respectively. Okay? Therefore, the answer is false because interface design is a part of software integration. Number 4, what is the role of second level in the mechatronic system design? A, integrates mechatronics into electrically controlled devices. B, integrates electrical signal with mechanical actions. Letter C, advanced control strategy level. And letter D, providing artificial intelligence. The role of second level is to integrate mechatronics or microelectronics into electrically controlled devices. So just integrate, for example, we have a driver for motor, large motor, and therefore the driver could be large. But the driver that is attached to the motor is a big system, but it could be integrated into a microelectronics, very small pieces, okay, that would control the bigger part. Okay, so integration of electrical signal with mechanical action, advanced control strategy, and artificial intelligence comes under the first, third, and fourth level of mechatronics design, respectively. Therefore, the answer here is letter A. And number 5, microprocessor-based electrical motors are used for blank. A. Prediction of fault in the system. B. Correction before a fault occurs. Letter C. Actuation purpose in robots. Letter D. Providing intelligence. Microprocessor-based electrical motors are used for actuation purpose in robot. The other functions such as correction before fault occurs, providing intelligence or prediction of fault system is done using artificial intelligence. Therefore, the answer here is letter C. Number 6, deployment in mechanics design or mechatronics design is associated with the final product. True or false? The deployment is the third main step in the process of mechatronics design system. So after you conceptualize, design, and construct, then the third one is the deployment. It is associated with the final product, embedded software deployment, and life cycle. So therefore, the answer is true. Number 7, which phase of mechatronic system consists of hardware designing? A. Prototyping. B. Modeling. C. Simulation. D. Deployment. Hardware design and simulation is a part of prototyping. Conceptual design and mathematical modeling come under modeling and simulation. So therefore, the answer is A, prototyping. Number 8, what is the function of analysis in the modeling and simulation phase? A. Database for maintaining project information. B. Submodels for eventual reuse. C. Contains numerical methods. D. To produce high-level source code. Analysis provides numerical methods for frequency domain, time domain, and complex domain design. Okay. And a database for maintaining project information, submodels for eventual reuse are part of project management. High-level source codes are produced by code generation. So therefore, the answer here is C, letter C. So number 9, describing the behavior characteristics through block diagram is done in blank. A. Modeling and simulation. B. Prototyping. C. Deployment. And D. Design optimization. In modeling and simulation, physical systems are represented by a suitable model for describing behavior characteristics such as a block diagram. Hardware design and simulation is a part of prototyping. Deployment is associated with final product, embedded software, deployment, and life cycle. Okay, so therefore, modeling and simulation is the answer. Number 10, prototyping involves blank. A. Conceptual design. B. Replacing non-computer systems with actual hardware. C. Database for maintaining project information. D. Submodels for eventual reuse. Okay. So, prototyping involves replacing non-computer systems with actual hardware. Conceptual design and mathematical modeling come under modeling and simulation. Database for maintaining project information, submodels for eventual reuse are part of project management. Therefore, prototyping involves that replacing non-computer system with actual hardware. Answer is letter B. So, at any given number, 1 to 10, you can select or you can answer all or any number and put your answer and the comment. That is just for a review purposes. And we will check your answer on the comment section for your attendance. Okay? So, although we are reviewing, we can also have an attendance for today, for this week. Okay? Okay, again, this is Dr. AP, preaching engineering for nation building. See you on the next live stream. We will take the next live stream